Welcome to Roche and thank you for visiting today. As a Roche student, you'll belong to a caring campus community as well as a much larger community in the North Hills of Pittsburgh. Today, I'll show you all that our community has to offer as well as what you won't see during a regular campus tour. Beyond Kerr is the Barrow Athletic Complex, which has an artificial turf field for soccer and lacrosse, and 2 fields for baseball and softball. Across the street from campus is McCandless Crossing, and you won't need a car to get there. Whether you want to catch a movie, shop, dine, or meet up with classmates, McCandless Crossing offers all of this within walking distance. It's also the perfect location to secure a job or internship. Another nearby attraction is North Park of Allegheny County. Just 5 minutes away, North Park has over 3,000 acres of land and a 75-acre lake. You can run or bike miles of trails and experience the thrill of a zipline course. Many students also enjoy the winter ice rink and the lake for kayaking and paddleboarding. And finally, there's downtown Pittsburgh. The city is just a 15-minute drive from campus, and whether you're looking for an internship or entertainment, you're in luck. Home to many global corporations and Fortune 500 companies, Pittsburgh is the perfect place to begin your professional career. In your free time, you can go to a show in the Cultural District or catch a professional sporting event. There are endless possibilities for networking and adventure in Pittsburgh. Now it's time for you to explore the Roche campus. If you have any questions about anything that I've shown you today, feel free to ask an admissions counselor or a Red Hawk recruiter. Have a great day and enjoy your tour.